we were always watching kung fu movies. In that they used to have the Vision Theater in Colon.
Yeah.
So we used to go there and watch all these Chinese films that kaysa una wala pang may cable.
Wapay kay Golden.
That's how old I am. So so I've always been a fan of action movies and like Bruce Lee, Chuck Norris, Steven Seagal, James Bond, and I also like to watch romantic movies such as the older ones like The Love Affair, Summer in Time,
Good.
the classics.
Thank you, sir.
How about Filipino movies, whether action or classic?
Before I wasn't very much into watching Filipino movies because mga Bisaya ka, di mo kahit nakakasagot ng Tagalog. And so now it's only now that I've begun to appreciate watching all these Tagalog movies. But I used to watch the movies I can remember yung kay Don and Richard. Hintayin kita sa langit. Yeah, which was
Gives away your
so those types of movies also.